unique glimpse inside royal life. Princess Diana's private chef is opening up, revealing what Diana was really like behind closed doors and in the kitchen. ABC's Lindsay Janis has the story.
For the first time, Darren McGrady is opening up about the people's princess, the Diana he knew.
While you were with her in Kensington Palace, what was she like?
She was incredible. She was always interested in what was going on behind those doors in the kitchen. The princess was a terrible cook. She said that herself, she couldn't cook.
Telling us about the time Her Royal Highness and a friend attempted to make themselves dinner.
And the spaghetti boiled over, and like on here, it put the pilot lights out. They cleared away, and then in the afternoon, she came into the kitchen. She walked past the stove, and she could smell gas. Monday morning, she came into the kitchen. She said, "Darren, you won't believe I nearly set the whole palace on fire." And I called the palace fire brigade, but you know the best part? I had 12 hunky firemen all to myself.
McGrady using the kitchens at New York's Institute of Culinary Education to whip up some of the royal family's favorite dishes.
The stuffed bell peppers is one of Princess Diana's favorites.
McGrady telling us he wanted to share his experience of Princess Diana after Prince Harry recently said he was struggling to remember what his mother was like.
He's struggling to remember, but it's all coming back in his personality. William's like his father, William's like his uncle. But Harry is more like the princess. And the princess always used to say, Darren, they're going to take care of the heir, I've got to look after the spare. They were so alike, and his mum would have been so proud.
For Good Morning America, Lindsay Janis, ABC News, New York.